In this session, let's learn about system monitor process. The system monitor process is used to perform recovery at instant startup if necessary. If any of the terminated transactions were skipped during the instance recovery because of maybe file read or offline errors, the system monitor process can recover them when the table space or the file is brought back online. Okay, another important function which the system monitor process does is it cleans up the unused temporary segments. That means all the temporary segments that are no longer in use by the Oracle database are cleaned up by this system monitor process. Okay, this system monitor process checks regularly to see if it is needed. Other processes can also call system monitor process if they need the help of system monitor process. Okay, remember these 2 points which the system monitor process does: perform recovery at instant startup and clean up the unused temporary segments. Okay.